Good afternoon. My name is Usman Chaple and we have made a project on disaster management. In this project there is a mountain attached to a road. Actually this project is to show the roads in hilly areas where on one side there is a mountain and other side there is a valley. So this project shows how landslides that occur on hilly areas can be detected using infrared signals. So in this project there are two parts, the transmitter and the receiver. In the transmitter part, there is a 9-volt battery connected to the work area. So all the components of this circuit should work properly. Now this 9 volts is reduced to 3 to 4 volts approximately because the components of the circuit will not work on higher voltage. We have used transistors and resistors in this circuit to reduce the voltage. Now the IR signals from the transmitter are sent from this hole to the receiver part. In the receiver part we have again used a 9-volt battery to the work, and we have used transistors, resistors to reduce the 9 volts to 3 to 4 volts because same reason that the components of the circuit will not work on a higher voltage. Now in the transmitter there is an IC Trimer 555 which will generate accurate time delay and oscillation in the infrared signals, so that the signals are received at proper intervals to the receiver part. And when there is a blockage in the road or when the landslide has occurred and the road is blocked, so the nearest disaster management center should know that the road is blocked. So we have connected for the signals a buzzer and a LED, and this LED is connected to show that the circuit is working properly. Now I will show you a small demonstration of it. So when actually these are three big boulders, we have imagine like it's a landslide, and when the signals are blocked, so when the signals are blocked, the timer and the buzzer and the LED is turned on. Whereas when the road is clear, there is no sound in the buzzer and the LED is also turned off. Now this project is a small, so we have made the circuit a bit huge, but in real life the circuit will be very small, so that will be not visible to the other people that are going through the road. And there will be a camera as well as an AI connected to the receiver part, so that if there is a huge bird or other flying things going through the way, so it will detect, the camera will first detect that if that is a proper landslide or not, and then it will send the message to the disaster management center, and then the management center will send their members to work on the disaster. Thank you.